In today's video, I am going to teach you how to sync Shopify products to TikTok Shop. To begin, go to the Product section and choose Add New Product. This is where you will create the item that you want to send to TikTok Shop. It is important to fill in each product detail carefully because the information you enter here affects how your listing appears and whether it is ready to sync properly. Start by selecting the correct category for your product. Choose the option that best matches what you are selling, since categories help organize your listings and make your product easier to manage across sales channels. After that, enter the product name. Keep the name clear and specific so customers can quickly understand what the item is. Next, write the product description. This is where you explain the product in a simple and useful way. Include the key details a buyer should know before purchasing. Then add the product attributes. These attributes help define the item more clearly and may include details such as size, color, material, or other product-specific information. Accurate attributes are helpful for both visibility and customer understanding. Once that is done, set the price and quantity. Make sure the price is correct and that the available inventory reflects what you actually have in stock. If your product comes in different options, such as multiple sizes or colors, add those variations as well. Variations are important because they let customers choose the exact version of the product they want. After that, enter the shipping weight and dimensions. This information is used to support shipping calculations and product setup, so it should be as accurate as possible. Even small mistakes here can affect the way the product is handled across the platform. When all of the product information has been entered, click on the Sales Channel section. From there, select TikTok. This is the key part of the process that tells the system you want this Shopify product to sync to TikTok Shop. Make sure TikTok is selected before moving forward. Finally, click Submit. Once you do that, your product will be saved, and the sync process to TikTok Shop will begin based on the information you entered. Take a moment to review everything before submitting, especially the category, variations, and shipping details, since those areas often cause issues if they are incomplete or inaccurate. With the setup done correctly, syncing becomes much smoother. That covers everything you need to know.